Hello traders, and this is DFXS. Welcome to DFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing great. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can make hundreds of points using TFX Sniper EA. And on top of that, I'm also going to show you other 4 important things that are inclusive or are included in these TFX or Renko Sniper EA. You know, it's very, very important, guys, before purchasing the system, understand how the system works, because the reason why even we have been doing the back testing, it is to prove and to show the performance of our system, so that no one even needs time to do those testing or whatever in your demo account, wasting time. It is the year of making money. So this is not the year of wasting time. It is the year of making money. And this is the reason why I am sharing the important details that you guys must see or must know in order to build confidence with our system. And before we get into these 4 important things that are you are expecting them to be in this TFX Sniper EA, let me start by saying we are going to do a testing on how you should build your confidence in this thing using all these TFX Sniper EA, because we are going to practice or to demonstrate in the most unpredictable pair of the day, and that is the USD currencies. You know, since the president, I was about to say our president. Okay, it's our president. Our president here is Kasongo, but I was talking about the since the President Trump got into power, guys. There is something happening in the USD, and this is the pair that I would like you to fall in love with when using the TFX Sniper EA. So without wasting time, let's see what is happening with this USD and how this system can deal with those manipulations before we enter into our 4 important stuffs that you should know. So let's start with Euro USD. For instance, as you can see on my screen here, the market resumes today, and you can see, guys, there is a gap here. Sometimes people, they don't know whether this gap, when it will be filled, or when to trade this. These people say, oh, my friend, just check this and do this. My friend, when it comes to TFX Renko Sniper, it will filter and make sure it has removed every manipulation and give us the direction of the market. Without wasting time, let's go. We have two templates that you're expecting after purchasing the system. Remember, the system is ready, very ready, and plug and play. All right. More information and mentorship guides there on our VIP. So we have this Renko file automated, and we have another Renko file with pips. And since we are talking about how you can bank hundreds of points without losing your money, without blowing your account, this is the system, the template we are going to use. Renko file in pips. So you just click, in just one click. It's a one click and you are done. You don't select the time frame. All right, let me go back there again. You don't need to select the time frame. You can see, even if you are in 4 hours, it is the work of our Renko file to go into the profitable time frame that it's going to analyze the time frame with the price action, and make sure with SMC, and give signal to Renko file, to Renko chart through order blocks. All right, so you just click it is the one that will pick the time frame. As you can see, it has taken us into minute 30. In minute 30, we are going to see we have the supply and we have the demand zone at this area. And as you can see, we have the order block 1 here and the order block 2. We don't have the history of other order blocks. We only have 1 or 2. All right. So this is the last order blocks. All right. And this is another last order block. The good thing is we realize the Renko cannot work alone. You must combine with the experience of full price action and SMC. You must combine the three of them. SMC, advanced MC, and price action, then you jump into the Renko. And since that is very hard for a normal human being to do that, my friend, this is why the TFX family comes in and produce the TFX sniper, Renko sniper, to make sure that guys now everything is on board. All right. So as you can see in here in minute 30, when the market resume, we are seeing that we have a gap here. How will you trade this? All right. Are you going to take a buy here to fill the gap, or are you going to sell, blah, blah, blah? This is what we call a confusing market, because something happened when the market was opening, and whatever is happening in US, only God knows. Then you can see it's like unpredictable market. You cannot tell whether it's going to fill the gap or this market gonna still drop. But when it comes to Renko, you can see it is very, very clear that this market is a downtrend. You cannot see it has filtered even the gap. You cannot see that. Let's even open another GBP USD, all right, and go to the pips file here and see what is happening there. All right, I told you, you just go into this Renko file pips, because in this video it's all about how you can bank hundreds and hundreds of pips using this system in a very simplest way. As you can see again here, you can see almost every USD pair open with the gap. So let's see if there is or even that one with the gap. Yeah, only USD JPY here. About USD CHF with a gap. USD JPY, it's the only one without gap. All right, so let us again analyze how this market goes, because it's very, very, very easy, guys. All right, you can see sideway market. You don't know whether it's going up or down, maybe blah blah blah. I don't know. Oh, here it's consolidated, trying to do blah blah blah. This is 30 minutes, and maybe you're confused. Oh, my friend, here I can see there is another block telling us the market's going up. My friend, when did this happen? All right, when did this order block happen? At this point, from there, I told you the history, it's only for one, and maybe there was another one here. This is 30th. Let's go back here to date 30th and see where the date 30th is. Was there a sale? 29, 30th. So you can see here, you cannot sell here. I want you to check this very, very carefully. And when we come here into date 28th, let's go back here. Date 28th is somewhere here. All right, from this resistance here, you can see there was a lot of consolidation here. Unpredictable. The market is consolidating. We don't know where this market is going. But when it comes to this TFX, my friend Renko Sniper, this is our entry point. What happened on date 28th? It filters every noises that happened here and give us a smooth entry point, because this is our sell point. This is the power of this system. It doesn't matter whether there is a gap in the market, whether we don't know where to go, whether it is sell or it is buy. But with this system, it will filter everything and give you a perfect signal. You know, the reason why, guys, we are doing even the back testing and releasing the video, it is to prove and to show a real and performance about our system, because we know the manipulators or maybe scammers outside there, they only pick where there is a profit. All right, they don't show where even there is loss. They cannot do that, my friend. And this is why TFX, we are very faithful and trust, my friend, you can trust us, and because we are very transparent. All right, so let's see everything here. You can see it's very clear whether there is a consolidation, whether there is these gaps. There is nothing to worry when it comes to this. So even if people now USD is coming, becoming an unpredictable currency to trade now, trust me, it is the best of the best currency now to trade using the TFX Renko Sniper, because it will filter every manipulation. Remember, this system also contain the order block, full price action, and SMC. So guys, let's go direct now to our point on how you will be banking hundreds and hundreds of pips using this system. So allow me in this video to talk about trading in pips, because in our file we have the automated one that counts according to the price of the brick, and we have the second one with pips that measure the brick's size. All right, and we are going to give an example with this. Let me click, because it's just one click, and let us open our Renko file at this point. And every brick contains now 10 bricks. Let's see how safe are you, and the important information that you really need in this system in order to get into your my friend, into your financial career and start banking money. So I'm very, very happy because of this system. It is very, very friendly and very, very profitable. So let's count every brick here, because we have seen that, we have checked that every brick here should have 100 points, and 100 points at this point, I just want you to check here. 100 points means 10 pips. So if I go in every brick here, it will give us only 10 pips. That is 100 points. If I am doing it randomly like that one, in order for you guys to see and to make sure that every brick here, it is 10 point, and there is nothing like shortcuts. And today it is that of check the date here, that of Feb 2025. You know, it must go together according to the market. This is the best thing we have improved on our Renko file, that it must go according to the date and according to the direction of the market, despite filtering the market. So it must go exactly with the date. All right. And the other thing is that our break our Renko file cannot let market freeze your terminal. It must keep on refreshing to make sure that signal are very, very accurate and profitable by refreshing the Renko chart, because I do believe some people who have tried the Renko chart, they freeze, it freezes more of terminals. But this one, guys, it must keep on. It doesn't matter if we can set all of them, guys, that is not a big deal. This Renko file will keep on checking everything to make sure that is smooth. And remember, it's very simple because you just plug and play. So you just select your Renko file and you are good to go. So let's go back there, guys, and see. I think we have seen that every chart here contains 10 pips. Let's go to GBP USD. Again, to prove that, because it is good to go beyond a reasonable doubt. You can see it's 100 points. This means any of the currencies that you'll pick here, it will give you 10 points. Any of the currency, it will give you 10 points. And if not 10 points, 10 pips, all right? If I delete that and I want to change, let's say, for example, I just want any brick to contain 5 pips. This is very simple. You just come to these 10 pips and you change into 5.0. That is 5 pips now. And again, let us see now if it is 50 points. Then from this brick, all right, from here to here, that's 100. What am I seeing here? That's 100. Let me delete that. Let me confirm again. 5 points. Let me save this to this 0. All right, because it must be 50 points, not 100. All right, there we go. You can see 50 points. All right, it must be. So you save that files different. Don't replace the one with the 10 points. You can see it's 50 points. So every brick here contain 50 points. So I'm doing this because you must be sure that every brick contains 10 pips, 5 pips now, and the dates are going the same. So nothing has changed. Even after filtering every noise here, it can give you 5 points. So you can imagine your entry point being here, because this is our entry point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 blah 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 30 times 5, that's 150 points. If we let's go back here, my friend. This is very very interesting, my friend. Very interesting. Let's calculate here. We are back to our 10 pips and see this is our entry point. The reason why we are saying this one, you must bank 100 and 100 points. Again, another entry was here. This is another entry. All right. And this is another entry if there was a order block at that point. So I just want to assume that this is another point. This is another entry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 6, that is 60 points, because maybe it would have exit from this, because remember the exit point of this system has also have the exit of formations. And again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 14 times by what, multiply by 10, that is 140 pips. From here to here, 140 pips. Then for me, this opposite formation here, that is an exit. We haven't reached into a deep point. Now, let us see how safe now this system is and what to expect into this system. So number one, we have seen that every brick here now contains the pips according to your choice. And let's say, for example, by default, every brick here, it is 10 pips. So we have 100% that every brick here now, it is 10 pips. So now let us go to most important thing that I wanted to share with you. The most important thing or important part here, you can exit by brick. Let's say, for example, you can set even a brick of 20 pips, so that if you go just 2 bricks, those are 40 bricks. Let me demonstrate that. It's very important. All right, even if you want to set 1 brick to be 50 pips, it is very possible. Oh my, is that possible? Yeah, let me set 50 pips there. All right, so that every five, let's delete that and let's save it again. Let us replace this 0. Right, and see if every brick in there can be 50 pips. Yeah, it is good to see that. All right, so this is an entry point. It is here. Now let us calculate this brick. It's very simple. From here to here, 500 points. Check for yourself, guys. So this means if I want to go only 2 bricks, let's say, for example, and I want to be sure, let us zoom this, because I just want to see when we are coming down. All right, so this is the entry point. This is the entry point, and you just want to go for 2 bricks, and 2 bricks will give you 100 pips. 1 2 here, only these 2 bricks. So if I go here and say that I want to exit through only with 2 bricks, all right? Only with 2 bricks. Let me show you guys. Close by bars. If I set here 2 This tells us, right? This tells us the moment you enter here, this is the second brick. The open price of this third brick, that is when the EA will close the market automatically. And you would have your 100, but I don't advise people to go for for 50 pips. That is too much, guys. It's better to go for 10 or maybe 20 pips. It's okay. 20 pips is okay. All right. So let's go back to our 10 pips here. Now, if you want to exit, we say this is entry point. All right. If this one is for 10 pips and I want to exit with only 1, 2, 3, 4, I just only want 40 pips because this four bricks here contains 40 pips. So all you need to do from there, you just go here to exit point. All right. You just go to exit point here and you exit close by bars, you set 4. If I set 4 there, this tells me this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The open price of the fifth brick, it will take the profit automatically. I'm just sharing with you because this system is so friendly. You can do some adjustment if you want to. But this is we'll be sharing everything on our VIP. This is just to make sure you, our viewers, you understand this system is so friendly and universal, and you can do whatever you want to do. If you believe in us and you don't want to change anything, it's just a plug and play, but it is good also for you guys to understand how the system works. So that is the point number 1, that with this system, you can exit with break. So we have covered 2 points. 1 point, every brick you can set according to the size you want. And number 2, we have seen that in every brick you can exit with you can count the bricks that you want the EA to exit with. All right, that is a very, very simple. Now, number 3, that is very, very also important. We have also fixed the risk money management. You can call it good money management, risk management, money management. We have so many terms outside there that you can use. My friend, I'm advising you, don't go beyond 5% risk ratio. This is the risk that we are going to risk in every account. Now with the TFX Sniper EA, you can only risk 5%. So you don't have to think where to set your stop loss. You only know what you are risking. And the reason why we are setting don't go even beyond 5%, it is because we are not trading to lose. You know, the bad thing with the retail traders, more than 70%, 70 to 90% of retail traders, they trade to lose. Trust me, they trade to lose. They trade, they lose, they look for another money, they come, they trade, they lose, they go another, they jump from this person, the strategy, from this system. They don't even trust themselves. Forget about trusting the system of trusting the owner. They don't even trust themselves. They trade to lose. And because we want everybody to make good money, good return, this is why we have programmed our system with the risk management, the subject that many have failed in Forex market. So if you are risking much, don't go beyond 5%. All right, don't go beyond 5%, so that if they hit your stop loss, they will only take 5% of your account. And because the system is programmed to recover the money, it will be 100% to recover, because according to analysis of this system, we don't say it's 100% because sometimes they might hit. I've already demonstrated this in on our back testings videos. You have seen it can hit even 5 stop loss in a month, but it can bank more than 20, 30 profits in every month. So to lose like 5 points, 5 trades in a month and winning more than 20, 30, that is a big winning. But risking much, even that 5 maybe those 5 trades that you can lose in a month, if you overtrade or you over re-average by setting a big lot size by maybe failing to do a good management, those 5 times can blow your account. And we want to be accountable for any loss that can be there in Forex market, because we are ready even to return people's money. The money is refundable, but you have to follow the rules. Don't go beyond 5%. 5%, we have tested our system and so that 5% is not too much. To recover 5%, it's only with one entry, and we are good to do that. So if you are tired of losing money, if you are tired for calculating money management or whatever, our system now suits you with everything. So they are well programmed with money management. So number 3, we can see we have now the money management on this TFX Renko Sniper. So you don't think of where to set your stop loss. It is just plug and play. By default, we have set 5%, then let it run. And this is according to your account. All right, whether you are using an account of $200, all right, this is a very friendly system. You can start even with $100 account, and you can still risk 5%. So 5%, it is by default, no matter your account. The only thing we advise, it's according to your account. That one we'll share on our VIP, how much you're going to set here. And remember, if you set a big lot size, more than when the system detects that the lot size that you have set there, if it can go like let's say, for example, few pips, it can blow your account. It won't accept that. It will set automatically the lot size that is suitable to save your account in case if they hit your stop loss. So if you try to set here like $10, and maybe you have $1,000, and they detect that within a few, or even one brick, maybe it can blow your account, my friend, it will calculate and give you a very reasonable lot size, because it cannot allow you to lack discipline. So it's a disciplined EA that it cannot allow anyone to lack what you have been lacking for years. So it is a friendly EA to make sure that you make money. So we are good with that, our system here, it will make sure that it has done a good money management. So that is done. Number 4, I told you that I will just share 4 important things in this system. Number 4, it's what we call break even. The break even of this system is very, very unique. Very, very, very unique. Let me check where the break even is. The break even, not, yeah, here we are. So let's say, for example, if I activate this break even by bricks, all right, this is the break even by bricks. All I need, I can set here just 1, not 1. I can just set there 3. That is break start, all right, break even start, and break even stop. I can just set like 1. All right, so break start, we have set 3, and break stop, we have set 1. This is to make sure you are very, very safe if you want to use that. For instance, let me share, let's say, for example, this is an entry point, all right? This is an entry point, and with this entry point, it went like 3 bricks, 1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. It will bring the stop loss into the profit of 1 brick. You know, the good thing with this one, the brick that does not jump like candles, all right? They don't jump like bars. So it is very, very safe if when if you want to use even the break even, so that if the market goes against you like this one, then it can hit your stop loss, and you can bank at least 10 pips. You can save at least 10 pips. The good thing with this, again, let's go back. This is another entry point. All right, 1, 2, 3 here. Then the stop loss would have been brought into that area. So let's go back again. That is entry point. All right. After 1, 2, 3, all right, the stop loss will be somewhere there now with only one brick. That means it has saved like 10 bricks. So market now goes like that one, then you are safe. In case market reversed like here, and let's say, for example, there was an entry here, you are safe with profit. The good thing is this bricks does not jump like candle. So if it has formed another brick here, don't expect them to come and hit your stop loss. That is the best of the best thing about our TFX Renko Sniper. So the other exit point, it will come to this point, then this will be another exit point, because the moment it will form a opposite formation, it will exit from there. So you can see, you can save your account with break even, because this one does not jump like candles. So when it drops this area, it will exit from the market by itself. In others video, we'll share more, because there is trailing. There is a lot of things you really need to know. This is plug and play. I'm just sharing this light to show you how safe you are and how friendly this system is, because those are the information that you really need to know. So it will exit from the market with this formation when you are already protected. So to be protected, it's 100%. And in case they hit your stop loss, they must recover. The EA, it is the work of the EA to make sure that it has recovered. So you can see, let's go to other pair like this one. All right. Again, hundreds and hundreds of points. Let's go, which one with no gap? Yes, USD JPY. All right. Even unpredictable market, the system still can bank. Oh my, I'm here. The way this market is going, it will still give you a good money. So this is how you will be banking with this TFX Sniper EA, the only EA that analyzing the market, or analyzes the market with full price action, advanced SMC, and make sure that your account is 100% protected. 100%. And it is 100% that you can never blow your account, because we have money management unless you do your things, unless you break the rules. But if you follow the rules, guys, you can never ever blow your account. Even if it's a account of $100, you can never blow using this system. That I can assure you. I can assure you, if you follow the rules, guys, and if it fails to do that, we can refund your money. This is the best of the best Renko system in the market, like no other. All right. So if now the USD is becoming unpredictable to trade, you don't know exactly what to do, my friend, get our system, my friend. And my friend, trust me, you are going to make good money like no other. And don't forget, this is the month that we started the trading plan. We kicked off today, all right? The trading plan kicked off today, and it is still early. You can still join, my friend. You can still join us. Remember, you just purchase the SMC and join the team, because this year we are going to raise from $500 to $100,000. By the end of this year, every TFX member or every TFX who will join this challenge of this year, you'll have to thank this team, because you'll have to bank more than $100,000. That is the challenge we are giving ourselves in this year, because it is the year of making money. I do believe, guys, you have now a good information about the TFX sniper. Don't wait for more videos. Just get in. It's a plug and play. Everything is ready. The templates are ready. You just plug and play. Friendly, and trust me, you are very safe, and to make money, it's 100%. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.